Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can create a Google form in our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices using the browsers that we have in our device. Okay, so whichever browser that you have, even or you can have Firefox, Microsoft Edge, or even the Google Chrome. So please pick one and then let's open it. So I'll go with my Microsoft Edge, and once your browser is now open, all you need to do is just go to the Google search engine or Google homepage. So you can do that by typing in the URL section google.com, and then once done, please click on enter. And in here, we're now in the Google search engine. So you can see here the search tab. And please make sure that you have already signed in your account, your Google account. And once you see that you're already signed in, please click this icon here, which says Google Apps when our cursor is on it. And then please click on that. And then let's just look for forms. So this one. Once you see forms, please click on that, and let's just wait for this to done loading. So in here, all we need to do is just click on this blank form, and the moment you do that, it will load for a while. So in here, you can edit now the form that you will be making. For example, you can give the title like survey. I'm sorry, it's survey. Okay, you can also add a description. You can also change the font style of the title here. You can copy the link or insert a link, and you can also add now the question, or you can also change the choices or the type of the question here. You can choose short answer, or they can answer it paragraph in a multiple choice, check boxes, and drop down. And you can also have a linear scale, multiple choice grid. So there are many settings or options that you can choose from. So in here, you can add the question that you want, like how many of you are in your family, or any questions or any um, things that you would like to ask. How many are you in your family? Since this is a survey. And then once done, you can also turn off the required button here if this question should be answered, or should the responses are required for this question, then you can turn this on. So you can also have the description, the response validation, or you can also delete this one by just clicking this delete question button here. So if you choose short answer, the person that who will take the form or answer the form will now be able to give their short answer by just clicking this short answer text space here. Okay, so for the responses, you can also change the options or the settings for the responses by just clicking this more options here, and you can choose get email notifications for new responses, or you can also select destination for responses, and then you can see how many responses have you have. And for the settings, you can also make this a quiz, assign point values, set answers, and automatically provide feedback. And for the responses, manage how responses are collected and protected. You can have the options here by clicking this drop down button. And you can also collect their email addresses by just clicking this drop down button here, and then click on verified or responder input. Okay, so there are a lot of options and settings you can change and you can set. And when you're done, you can click on this publish button here, and you can change who can access the form. Okay, so you can have the general access option, and once you're done, just click on done. And you can also copy the link by just clicking this icon here, or you can also add or share this form with a person. Okay, And you can also have a preview of the form that you have made, or you can also move this to folder. So all the changes that you have done here will now be saved to Drive, and you can also customize the theme, whichever you want to apply in your form. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.